In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for scheduling. Whether you're organizing a team project or your own tasks, Monday.com offers a seamless solution to keep everything in check. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. This is the powerhouse where all the scheduling magic happens. Once there, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the homepage, and click on it. If you're like me and juggling multiple accounts can be a hassle, Monday.com makes things straightforward by allowing you to log in using your Google account. Click on the Google option and select your preferred Google account. Easy as pie. Now that you're in, scan the left panel of your workspace. You'll notice a plus icon. That's your gateway to adding more functionality to your workspace. Give that plus icon a click. You'll see various options to expand your organization toolkit, but for now, we're interested in templates. So the next click you'll make is on the Template Center, where all the pre-made layouts are hosted, awaiting your customization. As you're led to the Template Center, utilize the search bar efficiently by typing in the word schedule. The system will display a list of schedule templates designed to cater to different needs. This is where you choose the right one that aligns with your goals. For the sake of this tutorial, let's go with one of their useful templates called Work Schedule. It's a popular choice because it covers a wide array of scheduling scenarios effortlessly. After selecting the work schedule from the options available, the next move is to click on the Use Template button. This action essentially integrates the selected template into your workspace. You're now ready to personalize this template to suit your unique project requirements. Monday.com is renowned for its flexibility, which means that once your template is added, you can tweak it to your heart's content. Add your team members, set deadlines, assign tasks, or incorporate automation for a more dynamic scheduling experience. Feel free to experiment with the elements on the board as the platform is built to adapt to your evolving needs. So there you have it, a simple and efficient way to utilize Monday.com for scheduling. From choosing the right template to customizing it for your specific needs, you now have a well-rounded understanding of how to make the most out of this versatile tool. Go ahead and explore all the features Monday.com has to offer to keep your scheduling on point. Thank you for following along, and happy scheduling.